Hello everyone, I'm back with Ryan over here. It's been a while since we did our shop update video. Nice to see you again.
Another Cybertruck.
Another Cybertruck. I see a lot of Cybertrucks. What's the deal, man?
Yes, so this one is vinyl wrapped with PPF on top. So the color is, it's a 3M satin frozen vanilla with a satin PPF. Well, actually Dyno matte PPF.
Wait, but is it 2 layers? So first white and then satin?
Yes. Yeah, so the second layer is your matte PPF. This customer, we originally did vinyl, and I did let him know that it will chip. Vinyl is not like PPF.
Yeah.
So he said, okay, let's just vinyl wrap it. Needless to say, he came back a week later, and now it is PPF'd. So it's safe.
So it is basically, from a cost perspective, it's like wrapping your car twice.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
as if the Cybertruck wasn't expensive enough. But I was walking around it earlier, and it looks perfect.
Yeah. So far, this may be my favorite, but I do have to say there's another one we did that was gold dust, and you'll see that one pretty soon. It's beautiful. That's our really good customer, Anthony.
And you've done a lot of black ones, right?
Yeah.
Flat black.
So we're actually Monday is going to be our 10 or 11 Cybertruck we wrapped.
Gee, so now you've gotten probably a lot better, a lot more efficient, right?
More efficient. The way we've been doing these, I've seen other ones that are done from other shops. I'm not the type of guy that bashes any other shop, but we just do things a little different here.
Yeah, and then the edging. I mean, look at this. This is quality, right?
Yeah.
Even the way it's cut and trimmed over here.
So with the Cybertrucks, they're multi-step. So you can't go deep into the door because this track, you're going to cause an air bubble. It will never adhere, and then that's going to be a point that it's going to be able to peel.
Yeah.
So, and we're not the type of people to load the cars up with primer because that's just it's not how you do it.
But I've got to say, with the white interior, it looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, so that's this color complements the interior.
It does.
It's just cool. You know, we've been doing a lot of black ones.
Yeah. I mean, I still wouldn't drive it. A car like this, it's just not for me, but for people who like them, it is great. And you guys you have like an exclusive in the area, right? Not exclusive, but you do a lot of...
Yeah, so we do, I would say, most to almost all of Paramis's. Those guys are great over there. We absolutely love them. All the salespeople there, the employees, they're just good people.
Heck yeah.
We actually have one of their employees' cars inside that she went a little outside the box with the Prism S-Tech PPF. It's wild.
I want to see. It's not like this one, right?
It is not like this one.
This is a flat PPF.
Yeah,
right?
this is just the Dyno matte PPF.
It looks so awesome in the sun. I like how it's reflecting. Now the car's sitting a little higher. Any idea why?
Yeah, you know. So Tommy came here yesterday, and he's like, "I got to show you something." And I was like, "All right, cool." He's gonna make my car look like garbage again. So
unintentionally,
I have the M5 H&R comp springs.
Yeah.
They sit a little high.
Yeah.
Tommy rolled up with the M5
550.
The 550 springs.
Yeah.
And let's just say
for me. Yeah.
my car looks like a rally car now, guys.
Yeah, but soon. But you're going to be changing it, right? If you own the car for a little while, I'm going to make sure it happens.
Yes.
And then what's the deal with this one?
So this is a nice little treat. It's an 05 SRT10. If you guys don't know what that is, this has the Viper motor in it.
Yeah, V10.
V10 NA. Viper motor, stick shift.
Oh my gosh.
I might have to get the keys. She might be
right.
locked.
Yeah. That's okay. And that car is for sale, right?
This is for sale. By the time you guys see this video, it might be available, but the chances are not. It's super clean.
And it's very rare. I don't know how many they produce. It is so 46,000 miles, you said, right?
Nope, 34,000.
I'm sorry, 34,000
Yeah,
miles.
34,000.
Wow. Really, really cool.
Yeah, it's clean.
Yeah, and if you thought a 911 turbo was a widowmaker, think about this. No traction control, no weight in the back, rear-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Doesn't get more widowmakery than this.
No, you got to put some stickies on the rear if you're going to have fun with this thing.
Well, should we check out the inside?
Yeah, of course.
Bam, all right. This is a Tesla shop now. What is this?
Yeah, so 24 Model X came in for full gloss PPF. Still curing.
The whole car?
Yeah.
Wow.
So still curing right now. Tinted the windows, 20% ceramic. So this is getting wrapped up.
Yeah.
They'll be able to pick it up Monday.
You can see how the corners are wrapped. Really nicely done. Really nice. Yeah. I mean, I always admire people who, yeah, I mean, to me, wrapping a car is a necessity. So people who are willing to spend money to wrap
Yes.
the car. I mean, if you have the means to do it, I say do it. It's, 'cause
Yeah.
you can just wash the car and wheels with one rack and not care.
Yeah. But another thing is Teslas aren't known for good paint. So their paint does chip fairly easy compared to other vehicles. Anybody that owns a Tesla that's watching this video, they understand.
Yeah.
They know. There's nothing against them at all. It's just the paint is just not as strong.
Yeah.
So PPFing it is a must.
And then what's happening here with Jesse's car?
Jesse's car is getting the front windshield 50% ceramic.
So
So-
this is what you've been raving about, right?
This is what I was excited about. So this is Dawn Marie's car from Tesla at Paramus, and she decided to go with S-Tech Prism.
Oh my gosh, that is, so you can actually see the difference. So this is not
Yes,
wrapped.
so this is not wrapped. This is wrapped. So you're gonna get a blue and a purple
Oh my
hue.
gosh, I'm getting that purple hue right now through the cameras, through the light reflecting on it. Oh my gosh, beautiful,
Yes.
stunning. Wow.
And I'm so happy she decided to go with this film.
Oh my god, and again, look at the quality of work.
Yeah.
This is,
And it's not even done yet.
yeah.
So
but you guys are doing it right. Look, you've got you take all the panels off where
yeah, the door
you know-
panels are off.
Oh man. And then the seat, I have to say, the seats on the 3 Performance are fantastic. Look at this thing. What's up, fellas?
How are you?
We've got Jesse over here and Chris. Nice.
But like at this angle, very
Yeah.
deep, beautiful blue.
Heck yeah.
And then as soon as you change the angle, it's completely different.
Wow. I can tell you, if I were to get another Tesla, or when I get another Tesla, I would at least, because my wife, this is really my wife's car, we would get a blue one, I would absolutely consider this. This is
Yeah.
amazing.
So there's
Stunning.
no vinyl on the market that has the depth of this.
And it feels great to the touch.
Yeah, so it's the same warranty. It's a 10-year warranty. It's a self-healing film.
Nice.
If you're looking at a car for vinyl or PPF and you want something like this, you have a 10-year warranty on this.
Jeez. All right. Now, what does the warranty mean? Does it mean if it peels or
So,
if it...
fading, yellowing, cracking, and peeling.
All right, great. So maybe we use the same brand when we wrap my my
Of course.
911.
Well, your M5 has S-Tech on it as well.
That's right, on the roof.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's the only film that we use.
Nice.
We love them. Their support is phenomenal, and they're always trying to get their product better.
That's right.
So
Nice.
this is actually gloss black. This is for a Cybertruck that's coming Monday.
Finally, a gloss black
Gloss black.
Cybertruck. Gloss. You'll see it. We're gonna hopefully maybe by the time I'm done editing this video, maybe you can text me a photo of the gloss black. because
Yes.
I love gloss black Teslas. Everyone who's doing them in matte
Yeah.
black, I don't know. Gloss black with a tinted windshield looks killer.
It's gonna look good. It's
Yeah.
a good change because
Yeah.
we've done a lot of matte blacks.
Yeah.
So
And what's
You know.
happening in that room? Anything interesting? I know you had a Porsche there. You had a Panamera.
yeah, so the Panamera's gone. We are
Oh,
now bringing this boat back to life.
Oh wow. What kind of a boat? I know nothing about boats.
So you could see the oxidation if you come on this side. We haven't hit this yet. So this is what the entire boat looked like.
Wow.
So
Okay.
when you come on this side, we're bringing it
What's
back
up,
to life.
fellas? Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks like a brand new boat. Crazy. Wow. All right.
So still a lot more hours on this one,
yeah.
but as you can see what it looked like to what it's gonna be.
Such a cool boat.
And
It looks like an old school Miami Vice
well,
boat.
it's a 2005, so
Huh.
she's seen some time.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I like to check in with Ryan every once in a while because, again, I use him for all my cars. And sometimes I just stop by and say hello because I'm really happy that his business is doing so well. I mean, a
Thank you,
lot
dude.
of it is the attitude. I mean, right,
Yeah.
the friendliest guy, the friendliest people working here, subject matter
We're
experts.
very passionate.
Yeah, and they will treat your car as best as you want to treat it. So if you're interested in any wraps or any work
Yeah,
like that,
so detailing, paint correction, ceramic coat, vinyl wrap, window tinting,
yeah.
PPF. PPF is our big one.
Yeah.
Just come see us.
Yeah.
You will guarantee you get the best work and best experience, hands down.
Okay. And after hours, you can have a bench pressing competition with this guy. You might lose, but you know it's worth a try. All right, Ryan. Thank you so much.
Dude, anytime. Thank
you.
you, Tommy.
Thanks for watching.